Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, I would like to introduce my name is Rani Pustasari as a counselor and my college Tita Magdalena as a counselee. Here we will do stage 3 counseling or was assessment for profession English subject. Okay, we can start now.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. This is Tita, right?
Yes, that's right, Miss. It is me, Tita Mardalina.
Okay, Tita, how are you today?
Pretty good, Miss. Yourself, how are you today?
Thank God the news is good. What are you busy with at the moment?
I'm busy right now, just studying, Miss.
Okay, how was the lecture? Was it smooth?
Thank God it's smooth, Miss.
Thank God. Where do you live?
I live in Bandar Lampung, Miss.
It is the same. Yes, I also live in Bandar Lampung. Where are you in Bandar Lampung?
I'm at Teluk, Miss. Where is Miss?
I am in Langkapura. It is quite far.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, have you ever attended counseling before?
Never, Miss. This is the first time I want to try counseling.
Okay, Tita, did you know what counseling is before?
Thank God, Miss. Counseling is the provision of assistance by the counselor to the counseling problems. Is not that right?
Yes, that's right. Where this counseling is the giving of help from a counselor to his counselee to gently find a solution or a way out of the problems that his counselee is currently facing.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, before we enter the counseling stage, here I will explain a little about the counseling principle that we must obey together, because whatever you will say later will be kept confidential. Then the second principle is the principle of openness, where on this principle you are asked to be open in presenting your problem without without hiding anything, so that our counseling this time can help you is looking for a way out of the problems that is experiencing. And the last principle is there is the principle of volunteerism. Now Tita wants to do counseling this time because of the elements of person or of her own will.
Thanks God. It is your own wish.
Thanks God. If that is the case, is there anything you want to ask or convey first before we enter the counseling stage?
For now, there is no Miss.
It is good if there is nothing you want to ask or convey. Our counseling time is 30 minutes this time. Hopefully with that time we can together find a way out of the problems that Tita is experiencing. But if later Tita's problems have not been, then we will agree again. Will there be a second stage of counseling or not later? How about it? Do you agree?
Okay, I agree.
Okay, now Tita, can you tell me what problems in currently experiencing?
I'm uh, I'm a victim of bullying from my friends, Miss. I sometimes feel that this world is unfair to me.
I really understand how you feel right now. If I may know what kind of bullying you have experienced.
I'm always reschedule my friends and family because I'm short, Miss. I'm also always being compared by my tall brother and sister.
Your family also bully you?
I think they are just joking, Miss, but sometimes I still get hurt when I have to be physically compared to my brother and sister, Miss.
Yes, Miss really understand how you feel. Do your brothers and sisters have tall bodies?
Yes, Miss, they are very tall. Even my younger sister, who is still elementary school, want to be same height as me.
How about your parents? Are they also tall?
No, Miss, my parents have the same body as me. My brother and sister have the same height as my grandfather.
Oh, I see. It means you don't need to feel that you are short because your parents are the same as you. Then what is your response to people who bully and compare you?
I can only cry, be quiet, and accept everything, Miss. Sometimes I can only complain what I feel at the time only to God, Miss.
If I make now, what do you complain to your God?
I always say in my heart, Miss. Usually, the first time I'm angry with my situation, Miss, I feel the God is unfair in my heart. I always say, "Oh my God, why did that happen to me? What should I do?" Will crying, Miss. But not long after that, I'm seeing of if God a hit, Miss. I was so told video on Instagram that there were many people out there who were far less fortunate than me. And I immediately start crying again. Always said, "Oh my God, what are you doing? What you have give me? God, I know that there are still many people out there who are not as good as your card servant. God, God, give give this servant of yours partings, sincerely in accepting words that do not wear it, and give them awareness, oh my God, that what they say is wrong and can hurt other people's feelings. And after that, I crying to find other activity to get rid of my sadness, Miss.
Okay, Tita, I want to conclude first. So you are currently a victim of bullying by your friends. Besides that, you are also often compared by your family, which makes you hurt. Is not that right, Tita?
Yes, Miss, that's right.
Miss really understand how you feel, and what you are doing now is correct because your happiness is in yourself. Let others want to judge or see how you are physically because not necessarily if they are in your current position, they are can be as patient and kind as you are, but you can occasionally not be silent, but you immediately tell people who bully or compare you to stop doing these things. These things you can say that all individuals have their own strengths and weakness, and you can also say that they do not deserve in insult or marks other people physically because they are not necessarily better than they the the person they insert. You can try this slowly.
Okay, Miss, I try it when I'm ready to do it.
Okay, that's good, Tita. Besides that, I have a task for you in which I hope that this task can help you not be too sad or think about other people's quotes later, and you can learn to always be grateful for whatever God has given you.
What is it, Miss?
So your first task and homework is that you can replace your sadness at that time by thinking back on the fun memories of your past as a child and as a child that can make you happy again. And the second task, you can provide a good book for you. You make a diary. In that book, you can write down everything that happens to you at that time. And Miss asks you to write from a gratitude, from of gratitude, and thank you to God at any time that you think is obligatory for you to be grateful for and thank you. At last in the day there are 5 to 10 gratitude and thank you. For example, oh my God, I'm grateful and grateful today I'm still given healthy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, oh my God. So like that, you can apply this from now on so that later I hope you can be more grateful for the life you are in now without having to see and think about what other people say to you. How can you handle this task that I have given you?
Yes, Miss, I will try it.
Okay, I also hope that you will let me know how the progress of the task that I gave you is. How is it?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now is there anything else you want to say or ask?
For now, I think that enough.
Okay, then because we only have 5 minutes left and if there's nothing else to say or ask, shall we end our counseling this time, Dita?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, then I thank Tita for the opportunity. I hope our counseling this time will be useful and helpful.
I mean, Miss, I also want to thank you. You have taken the time to help me.
You're welcome, Tita. Then I end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.